Hello, it's me, Hannah. I'm in my car and it's raining. Are you ever in your car when it's raining? Your car's a good place to be while it's raining. You can do a lot of thinking in your car. Sometimes you can cry in your car. You can sing in your car, you can dance in your car, you can smoke in your car. You can be alone in your car. You can be with your friends in your car. You can be looking at beautiful views in your car. Or you could just be looking out into space in your car. You could be going somewhere in your car. Or you could be going nowhere. Your car's a good place to be.